right, guys, so this will be a very simple one here. This watch right here is kind of a gesture based, but it has this little circle down here at the bottom. You can barely see it. But this is a watch that's really affordable online. It's on Amazon. So it is $70 right now, and it's kind of a fitness smartwatch. It has a heart rate monitor and everything. And it's got your steps and everything. So the only issue I have already with this watch, and it does come with a nice band, as you can see in the unboxing portion, and you get a nice sports band if you decide you want to put on a sports band. But other than that, I think just being gesture-based like this with this one button down here is kind of annoying. I thought I was swiping on the screen, and I was like, wait a minute. I said I had to read the instructions, and I thought, wow, I don't know how I'll feel about that, but it is a very nice watch. It's lightweight. It has a heart rate monitor, like I said. And you use this bottom button down here just to navigate. So in order to get into something, you long press. So let's just say I want to do heart rate. A long press on the bottom down there. And then it's going to load up, the heart rate. So it's going to start taking my heart rate here. I checked this already. I checked it. It actually does work, as you can see there. You should be quiet when you're doing your heart rate, though. And it finished, 84. Okay, so then that's it. And then you just swipe, go to the next one. Anything you want to get into, you just long press on it. So if I want to get into other, I'll just long press, and it takes me through some settings. I keep wanting to touch that screen, but it's just this button at the bottom. And I'll get into that application in just a second here. You've got to use that application in order to, navigate and everything. So if you want to do the brightness, that's how you would do it. So let me go back and long press, and so we should be able to get into the brightness. And there you go. Long press to apply for everything. And I think that's kind of the strange part that some people might not want to navigate with, but the watch itself is actually pretty clean, man. If you can get used to that, you're set. So let's get into, I want to show you the training portion. And I guess this is better though. See, it lets you know you can go to walking, running, cycling, skipping, jump roping, badminton, oh Lord, basketball. It's got all these different sports and things in here that you would want to consider training. Messages, you go into it, there's not going to be anything in there because I haven't gotten any message. Oh, I got this message right here, but that's because the watch was letting me know it was running on my phone. You can control your camera shutter, which is pretty cool. You got your music player. And then that's pretty much it, man. But there are a few other, let me show you the application here. And it's so strange. It's called The Fit. This is a weird name for an application, but it's actually pretty accurate, man. I mean, as you can see, it updates real time. I was trying to refresh it, but you really don't have to. But it's called The Fit, which is really stupid name, man, to be honest. This is dumb. But it's accurate. It has all your information on here. You can change these watch faces right here. There's 3 watch faces you could use. Currently, it's on this one by default. You can change it there. And you can see it actually updated very quickly on the watch. So just change it here. And it updates very fast. So, real brief video here. I think I kind of like this watch, man. I like that it comes with 2 bands. I wish it would have been that red band, though. That would have been pretty sweet, the black and red band. But I'm going to use this band right here. I think this band is just a really nice looking band. The screen is pretty bright. It's really nice. You can go through, you can set up your notifications for what you want to have go. You can have all notifications go through. You just hit that other, and it'll tell you everything. So just be mindful of that. Anyway, this is the new watch, man. This is pretty sweet. I'll check this out for a little bit, test it out, take it to the gym with me, see how it goes. That's the application. That just looks so stupid for a name, The Fit. Stupid. Anyway, man, this watch is actually pretty cool. And I'll have it. It's supposed to give you up to 10 days on a single charge. We'll see about that. It's your man, Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.